Alright, hello traders. This channel I originally started because I wanted to have a little bit of fun while I was sitting at home and I had a lot of this free time since I'm not working anymore. And we've just been doing a lot of education, a lot of really important videos, so I thought it would be fun to kind of poke fun at other traders here. So I saw a video that was recently posted back in March there, and we're gonna watch it. I've watched maybe about half of it already, and then I thought this was absolutely hilarious, so I gotta commentate on this, and let's just make fun of this guy.
At the end of the video, I'm going to show you I've connected the account to a MyFX book. So
Okay,
we'll
we
go
better
through
check
that at
that
the end
out.
of the video, and you'll see like
Because I really
live
doubt that
account,
this is going to be a real
everything
account.
like that. So I'll show you that at the end of the video once we've finished.
By the way,
this
guys,
challenge.
this is the title: $1,000 to $185,000 in 1 week.
Oh, it's time to sell.
That's why I had to watch this video.
One lot.
You just put one lot.
Bang.
Place
Do
one
another,
lot on a $1,000 account. I hope he's scalping.
0.5. There we
1.5 lots now. So, first of all, he's got a $1,000 account, and the first thing he does, he doesn't explain any reasoning behind his trade, and he just places one lot on GJ for some reason. I guess we can see how well it does, but first of all, this guy, he's got no risk management. If you're placing one lot on 1,000, unless it's a scalp, he's probably going to get wrecked.
GJ just dropped nicely, as you can see here.
He needs a much better camera.
Profits. Oh,
You can barely see anything
nice.
here.
I'm going to get out of GJ. It looks like it's going the other way.
What's the logic behind this? He just exits. There's no stop loss. He just exits because it starts going back his direction.
Oh, we could have got out down there.
No, but that would have been stupid to exit because you would have.
Unfortunately, but we've got a nice setup on gold. So
You would have exited for like 1 hour risk, which is stupid. Nobody should be trading 1 hour.
Buys on gold. Gold's fucking risky, man.
Okay, so he should be betting much less on gold, but no, he goes one lot because
Another
he doesn't know how forex works, and gold moves, you know, probably 3 times as much as the pound.
Oh, mate, gold fucking scares me. So I'm walking to school. I've just closed my gold
But
trades.
he made 60% on his account.
There.
See what I mean?
£612 for the day. Balance. There we go. Nice.
Well, what if he was wrong? He would have lost 60% of his account. Oh, this is annoying. That's nuts. Nobody should ever make 60% in a day unless they've bought Bitcoin and Bitcoin's just rallied on the spot, something like that.
And if we want to get a good challenge out of this, we need to start, I guess, going more risky. So tomorrow, I'm going to up the lot sizes, start going more risky on this account, trying to grow it a lot more.
In 1 day.
Because we didn't even get 100%
Didn't
in
even
1
get
day, which I know
100%.
isn't
What the
normal in
hell?
forex, but this is like a challenge. So I want to try and get the highest percentage as possible.
It's a challenge. That's why he wants 100% a day.
I'm going to try.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Try go a lot more risky tomorrow, up the lot sizes and see. Guys, we're gonna sell GJ.
So he's right back on GJ. Let's see if we can
sell.
let's see if we can look at what the hell he's trying to think here. Let's just go back.
Placing some trades soon. Guys, we're gonna sell GJ.
So he's market selling. Look at this. He's market selling on an hourly dump after it hasn't even come back to retest this zone. It makes absolutely no sense. He's just entering on a breakout candle, and he hasn't even come back to retest it yet. I don't understand what the strategy possibly could be, because you have so much to lose and so little to gain.
Trade 2 lots, sell.
Yeah, 2 lots now because your account is 60% bigger. So let's.
And then we'll do.
Oh my god.
1.6.
Alright, so 5.5 lots because your account is 60% bigger.
There we go. The trade's negative at the moment.
Look how fast he loses money.
But we're going to hold it.
It's barely moved.
Trust the analysis.
And he's lost 10% of his account.
Set take profit. And let's just wait for the trade to play out. Boom, there we go, guys. The sales are finally going our way.
Well, obviously it's going to go your way.
You're almost fucking
midst of a dump.
Went up there and I almost blew up. Not
you just
blew our
need
account,
one wick up and then you're
definitely
you're blown.
In the danger zone. But yeah, I told you, trust analysis. I said it, and it's now finally going our way. It's going a bit slow, but we just have to wait. And you can see I set the take profit there. It's 20 pips. So
yeah, there's no stop, but
nice wick.
Look how close his take profit is, just slightly below the previous lows. And where's his stop? Well, his stop would be liquidation, right? Because it would, if it just bounces up, which clearly it could do, because there's so much to move up, so much room to move up.
Projections as well. So this should be looking like a decent. This should play out rather quickly. I'm hoping.
Yeah, obviously it's going to be quickly.
A decent trade.
Because it's dumping. You got like 80% chance that you're right here, but 20% chance you lose everything. There you go. He's right. Boom. Let's see how much he made. Can you guess how much he made? Can you guess how much he made right there? I wonder. Probably 20 pips on 5.5 lots. I'm sure some people could do math really quickly, but probably like $1,000 or something.
Alright guys, so you saw the video of GJ dropping.
Yeah, pretty close. $900.
Almost 2,500. Let's go. Alright guys, so I've just placed a buy on GBP USD. It's gone up already. Ooh. Let's go.
It's the same terrible risk management over and over. He just keeps upping the lots. And really, all he's got to do is do this. Look at that. There you go. Another 1,000. Look at the 2,000. Holy crap.
Okay guys, as you can see the balance here.
2,000 on the second day.
Profit. Let me just show you it's a real account. There you go. You can see that there. Okay guys,
he
so
could
we've
just
got
be
some news tomorrow.
Opening up a screenshot of a real account.
Yeah, buying the euro.
Because
and then
pulls off
CAD
camera,
news, as you can see. I'm going to be selling CAD. Oh, not a focus.
Now,
yeah, I'm going to be selling CAD, buying.
Here's the next problem, man. He's just blindly going to be. I don't imagine a 17. I can't imagine like a 17-year-old knows that much about the fundamental news and analysis that he's actually going to be able to react properly, doing an in-depth research to what's going to happen in the major news events. This kid's going to school. There's no possible way he's following the news that closely. So really all he's doing is he's just waiting for the news and then buying and selling when it's super volatile, which is stupid. 2 lots. So I don't understand why he keeps adding multiple lots. Why not just go like 6 lots in one order? I can't understand this. There you go, like 10 lots in one order, whatever he's doing. Holy crap. He won't stop. See, what doesn't that waste time?
Hey guys, so I've just set my take profit. For zoom out. So, you can't even see it. Yeah, but I set my take profit.
This guy's strategy quite obviously just appears to be wait for a massive candle and then buy the direction and set your take profit 20 pips after. That's literally all he's doing. So if you guys want to replicate this, go ahead. I could probably call it right now and say, go ahead, do that, 20 pips, massive engulfing candles, and just see how far you get. I'm sure he might have done this a few times in order to get, you know, a whole week worth. You only need to do this 5 days in a row. So I'm sure he tried multiple times. Yeah, there you go. There you go. He just makes profit by going the same direction. 2,000. All my clients receive the exact same. Here we go. This is why he made the video. And it's revealed. So you can go follow him on Instagram and you can go buy his course. All of his clients are getting just as rich as him, I'm sure. Go spend $100 and then come back out with 100K from this guy's 17-year-old master analysis. So this is the part where, you know, there's a problem and then he complains about it and says that he was still right anyways. So he would have actually made more, and he's actually better than this. So I just wanted to point out something. This guy he's doing it completely off of his phone, which just shows you how easy forex is, right? Any kid in high school that owns a cell phone can easily just go and do exactly what it's doing. So I wonder why everyone else is not rich right now too. It seems so simple, because obviously you really don't need any charts. You just wait for a candle and then buy the direction. Simple as that.
Screen record me placing the other Euro USD trades. But as you can see, I've made profit, and yeah, that's our balance at the end of the day. So it ended well.
That's unbelievable. Either way, though.
Okay, guys, I'm going to be buying
I
gold.
can't believe that this is possible, actually. You know, congratulations to him if this is real. I really hope he doesn't blow the money later. I hope he does something smart with it. Because even if it took him, you know, $10,000 to try this 10 times, he still made, you know, 10x his money.
We'll do 2. Buy. Boom.
So
32 lots in.
32 lots on gold?
Let's see where this gets us.
See how nuts? Oh my god, negative 1,000 instantly.
Gold.
Holy, what the hell, man?
No.
See, that took... If he just put this all in one order, then he could just close it all at once. This is what I was saying before. But the volatility, he could easily just get liquidated from the amount of time it takes him to close his orders.
12,200.
50% in 2 minutes.
That was a quick scalp there.
This guy might be the best. This guy might be the best trader ever.
Ooh. So it's just gone 7 o'clock on Friday night.
The laptop, finally.
It opens Sunday night, but I don't enter any trades on Sunday. I wait till Monday, wait for the market to settle. So I'm just going to chill tonight, not place any more trades.
He's got risk management.
Come back
he doesn't
Monday.
trade on Sunday.
Alright guys, we're going to be
you're going to short it.
GJ.
Yeah, I knew it. You know why? Because it was going down.
More focus.
It makes perfect sense. Price goes down as you sell it. I can't believe we haven't realized this before. Was it? I'm gonna guess maybe like 60 lots.
That would be 4 lots.
No, how many is that?
44 lots.
44 lots only. Only 44 lots.
We're in the negatives quite a bit at the moment. Let's just go on chart.
So I'll just come out and say, I've traded very large account sizes, like near 6 digits, huge accounts, and I've never once placed a 44 lot order size. I think the highest I've ever placed was probably 15-ish lots.
Quick 20 pips again.
Exactly, that's that 20 pip strategy.
Swing a scalp, so
should I write this strategy out for you guys?
let's do this one, focus.
I could make it and then give it out in the Discord.
There we go.
So you guys can get
So
rich.
just a
I know
quick
the strategy. I've mastered it now.
How this trade can go.
The crazy thing to me is how he's not taken any of his money out yet.
As you can see, the trade hit. Take profit. It's gone down nicely. It's gone down even more than I take profit, but quick 20 pips. We don't want to be greedy.
Quick 20 pips. Everything's a quick 20 pips.
Yeah, we've got our money. So let's move on to the next trade.
The camera didn't record, so me placing the trades, otherwise you would have missed. So again,
hey guys, the
he's
trades
even better
on GBP AUD are going nicely. Here we go, we've got sales there.
Look at that. 93 pips.
Boom, that's just
or 93 lots. What?
Boom guys, and there we go. GPAUD quick reversal, look at that. It's going up already. Hit our take profit and boom. There we go, very nice. We're probably going to enter the trade later on, so
I really hope this is real.
Will be over 30k by today.
30k in what, 40 days? 4 days? Now he's only got one more day though, apparently.
Buy Euro USD. Just sent this trade out to my clients. We'll do 80 lots.
Just 80 lots.
And we'll do 5 lots. Buy.
Why not just put 85? I don't understand.
Boom, there we go. 85 lots on Euro USD.
What is it, a buy?
Boom, there we go.
Yeah, it's a buy because it's going up.
We're in about 1.7k profit already. Looks nice. Let's look at the chart. Ooh, nice. Sent my take profit. And yeah, let's just hope it skyrockets up.
No,
let's go.
He's not even setting his take profit to any level. It's just a straight 20 pips. We're really making this trading thing way too complicated. All we got to do is just 20 pip profit. That's it.
Hey, it's gone up. Oh, Jesus. Oh, damn. Very nice.
So what is it? He's driving and trading. Don't do this at home. Not only is he trading while driving, he's also recording a camera while driving.
Okay guys, so I'm finishing the day on 40,526. Let me just show you that it's a real account. Boom. There we go.
See, I wonder if he's just flipping to a screenshot. He's just pushing the button that switches the previous screen on his phone.
Nice setup. See, it's gone past all of our zones. Hopefully a pullback.
It's funny how this is the first time we've seen him actually doing any sort of TA. You know, you flipped your account 40x, and then he decides to start doing TA. Enter at 2. What, 2 p.m.? That's probably smart. So this is supposedly the final day, right? 5 days in a week.
Okay guys, it's time to make GJ my bitch.
So he's got to go from 40k to 185k.
100 lots, and then we'll do
100 lots, man.
Then we worked out 30.
What the hell?
As you can see, we bought it there, so close to take profit. And yeah, let's just hold it and wait and see.
See, I wonder when he bought there.
Okay guys, as you can see, it hit the take profit and now it's starting to go down. So the account's on 57k. How much did we make? We made,
so he's got to triple it still.
17k on that trade.
He's still got to triple it.
What a trade! Beautiful, beautiful trade.
Your account size should be $1 million if you're trading 100 lots.
There we go. Okay guys, I'm going to be entering another 100 lot sell.
He's literally risking 100% of his account. Not even enough money. He's gonna get margin called so quickly if it goes anywhere in the wrong direction.
Boom. There we go.
I guess that's why you place multiple orders.
Oh, I swear we can do 100 lots. No? Okay, the trade's finally in profit. As you can see, it's gone down. Got a sniper on that second entry at 50.
Well,
yeah,
obviously, if you take a bunch of entries, one of them's going to be good. The rest of them are going to be crap.
Is that a joke? Look, it literally like 3 or 4 entries, right? My take profit, and I think, oh my days.
This guy clearly doesn't know what a spread is.
The spread, man, it's.
Okay, good.
It's actually, this is good spread as well. I mean, like shit. That's so annoying. I just hope it comes down more.
Just close it, man. I guess you don't need to close it. This guy's way smarter than me.
Alright guys, there you go. The trades are now closed. The market has dropped. Fucking almost.
This is 185k or he still needs to get another 100k.
Like I said, there are going to be lots of orders below these wicks here. Loads of orders which the banks know about, and they can manipulate in any way they want to.
Yeah, it doesn't make your strategy good,
but
though.
I'm happy the trades
Just
are
knowing
closed now.
that the banks manipulate the price
and
doesn't make your shitty strategy any good.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, guys, I'm going to be entering Euro USD now.
Yeah, so it goes up, so let's buy it. Let's buy the top. Yeah?
200.
Instead of waiting for 200. Instead of waiting for a pullback, which would be smart, and then you can have a tight stop and minimize your risk. Let's just buy it because it could not come back. That's probably the logic. It could just not come back. So we don't want to miss out on all that gains.
Profit has been set. You can see it.
We just got to FOMO in because we could miss out on making money. And we don't want to miss out on 100k per day.
Boom, the trade is shot up. Let's go into the 1 hour. As you can see, look at that. Clients are loving the trades today. Absolutely.
Oh yeah, there's the clients again. I bet he plugs his paid group at the end of this. Look at that.
Nice. Clients will be happy with this trade. Once again, another
That's
winner.
Unbelievable. Either way, again, I hope this is a real account.
The trade hit take profit up there.
And I hope he does something with the money rather than just blow
over 100k profit.
Look at that.
Show it's a real account.
That's nuts. See, he could just be flipping the account, the screen.
So it's been a pretty decent day.
He could just be switching the screen to a screenshot.
It's been an amazing day, actually.
Because I don't believe
clients have loved all the trades.
Really believe this.
I'm loving them. Hopefully we can have a winning streak tomorrow, because tomorrow is the last day, and if we lose a trade tomorrow, that's just it's gonna be so annoying. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we do not lose a trade tomorrow. And this account is gonna grow massive tomorrow, because we've got 123k.
Imagine he blew it all on the last day.
Almost 124k. So
that'd be great.
Yeah. Anything like
I would actually rather see that.
What I thought we was gonna do. So
it would be way funnier.
I'm happy with this, and let's see how it goes tomorrow.
There's only 5 days in a week, man. Cameras decided to stop working again, so I don't know what this is. This is like, holy fuck. You got like 450 lots. It's just unbelievable. 20 pip profit, no stop. What is that? 550? 650? See how quick it can go against them?
Okay guys, so as you can see, the account balance is now on 185k. Profit minus
60k in one trade.
Let me show it's a real account. Boom. Okay guys, so here is the MyFX book. So as you can see, it's a real account with IC markets. The gain 18,560%.
Holy crap.
Insane.
This looks real.
Yeah,
unless it's photoshopped somehow.
67%. That is
unless this is a screenshot that he just photoshopped.
But the trades hit take profits, so that's what matters.
Yeah, look at that drawdown, 70% almost.
Balance there, and then we deposited £1,000.
Now I really honestly hope that this kid does something good with the money, like invest it somewhere wisely.
Yeah.
Because there's no way he's going to be able to do this again.
Okay, guys. So let me just give you a bit of advice. When it comes to trading.
Trading advice.
So
Let's do it.
when I first started trading, I was learning the wrong stuff. I was learning the stuff that the banks want you to learn about the support and resistance, the trend lines, Fibonacci, all of that stuff.
I'll agree with him there. He's got some point.
If you think
all this shit is garbage, just trade the price
banks,
action.
The institutions, all the entities who are moving the markets care about trend lines or support and resistance, you're wrong.
Yeah, I'll have to agree with him. He's actually saying something smart here.
On a daily basis, do not care about a couple of parallel.
Yeah, you think banks are looking at these things?
You're wrong. They don't. They care.
They're looking at order flow and price action.
They care about where the liquidity is.
Yeah, exactly.
Where are the orders in the markets, and they will move the price to these orders every single time.
That's what I tell you guys.
They will try and
you can't change the direction of the price until you stop somebody out.
Money, and then once they've got our money,
this is why my strategies work so well.
To then move the market to the next point. This is how the market moves. It's not because of trend lines or because of support and resistance. It's liquidity. This is how the banks trade. And if you're looking to get in the market and be consistent, then just know that you have to learn how the big players play the game, because if you don't, they're just gonna wipe you out like they do with 95% of people. So I hope that advice.
So this guy does have at least some merit to him. He could have traded for a couple years. He could have had a dad or something that was teaching him how to trade. So he could actually know what he's doing. And this could have just been, you know, something to get YouTube fame, right? It's absolutely hilarious, and you shouldn't follow this because you're going to get liquidated at some point. You know, he only had to make 5 trades or whatever, but they literally didn't go in the wrong direction once. Except for it went 70% underwater just simply by entering the trades. And it never once went against him. So he just got lucky on that week, basically, right? But he might actually know a couple things.
Also, guys, one last thing. If you want to copy my trades that
Here
I
it is.
place on a daily basis,
copy his
just
trades.
Give me a message on Instagram. I will
there you go. Send him a message and pay him hundreds of dollars.
So yeah, just give me a message,
and you can copy his 20 pip strategy for yourself.
And yeah, hopefully.
All right, guys, that's enough of that. I thought that was absolutely hilarious. To be fair, this guy could actually know what he's doing, and this could have just been a YouTube ploy to get more followers so that he can get more money from his clients. This is guaranteed. It's just a way to get more clients, because he just kept mentioning how his clients were making money. And this, you know, nobody just does this for fun, really. Nobody just tries to waste their money for fun. But I think that was pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think about this Trader Reacts series. Might do more of it once in a while, because there's a lot of really stupid traders out there, and I'd love to make fun of them.